Hello, my Pisces. Let's have a quick monthly reading for you. Let's try and find out how the month of November 25 will be for you, my love. So, Pisces, if you're new to my channel, do like, share, and subscribe to it. Do hit the bell icon so you get notified for any such interesting videos I keep uploading. And if you've been my regular viewer, thank you so much, my love, for being a part of Vibra to Live family. If you belong to my cusp signs, darlings, the reading is already out. This is for my zodiac babies. So let's bifurcate the reading into three parts. First to the 10th, 11th to the 20th, and then from the 21st to the 30th. Let's begin. Angels and spirit guides. First 10 days, please. Okay. We begin with the participation. Nice. We have new vision. Really sorry for that glare, darling. We have courage and we have rebirth. Do you feel that your partner doesn't value you, or you have been through some heartache? That's the reason overthinking and you have given up on yourself. But there are celebration news coming in. There is good news. There seems to be an engagement, or if you guys have been through a rough phase, now you guys will mend up. Remember, it's a passing phase. Miscommunication or that feeling is what is keeping you stuck. Ask for help. Don't get stuck in that thought processes. Maybe this is what universe is trying to say, that you need to work on yourself. You have counselors, healers, doctors. You know, there are so many people. Even your angelic people are there to assist you. So talk with them. Or it's also trying to say it's high time you step out. Go and spend time. Maybe that me time between couples is something that you guys could be missing. Or if you're traveling, you might end up meeting somebody new. Okay, so allow as well. Now let's come to your mid 10 days. That would be from the 11th to the 20th. Between you have work, collaborations will bring in success. So you don't have to worry, but stop overthinking. I think that overthinking, take a second opinion, okay, when it comes on work base as well. The second week begins with comparison. We have letting go, compromise, and sorrow. Darlings, you guys are still stuck up in the loop. Comparing yourself with someone else, feeling nobody values you. You are split into personalities, emotional baggage. Learn to let go of that baggage. Give a pat on your back as to how far you reach, because if a door closes, a new door opens. Find a balance. Learn to give compliments now. Do a little bit of charity. Give a pat on your back. Say you love yourself. Thank yourself. Do good. When you do good, the good comes back to you. So I think it is all about giving and receiving in the mid 10 days. You have everything. You need to work on yourself in the mid 10 days. Now let's come to the last 10 days. That would be from the 21st to the 30th. Nice. You've got a nice card. We begin with the friendliness, totality, guidance. Okay, we've got 5 cards. Guilt, ordinariness. Darlings, again in the same loop, because you are trying to give explanations. Because of your overthinkingness, you need to ask for help. It could be on relationship matters or it could be on work, but I think ideally it's on relationship matters, which seems to be coming up. Please ask for help. As I said in the initial stage as well, there is somebody who wants to help you in your work. You are doing your hard work. Staying connected with Mother Earth will help you. Wear light shade clothes, okay, that will also help you, because that will keep you calm from within. Again, totality is also trying to explain you, rather than getting into that place of, you know, explanation. It's okay. Let your work speak. Let that work come into success mode and everything get resolved. Okay. Don't over stress is what it's trying to say. Now let's ask your angels, what guidance would they like to give you? Angels and spirit guides. Be honest with yourself. See, you know what you are. So rather than having cross arms Be in a receptive mode, allow things to happen. If you've lied, it's okay. As a human, situationally we do, but be honest with yourself before going to sleep or when you're praying. Just say, yes, I have lied. So that is what it's trying to say. Be honest with yourself. Okay. Now let's come to your love life. What is it? Why are you hanging on to that pain? What's coming up for you in this month, darling? Okay, we've got 3. We have, the chaser, camera, and Cupid's arrow. See, even your love life, they're trying to tell you the same thing. Chaser, camera is trying to tell you, start creating new memories, let go of those old. Okay, there is love in the air, but I think it's all about loving yourself, which is trying to tell you. And the chaser is trying to say abandonment issues, anybody who is not ready to accept or face it, or are they codependent kind of a person, are you dealing with such energy, then you need to play safe. Okay, now let's ask universe if there is anything specific coming up for you in this month. Angels and spirit guides, anything specific? We have house, so anything related to house will matter the most. Let go of those baggages or those old items which do not carry anything good, because ideally bad energies. Okay, so make space for new. There could be renovations, there could be inheritance, it could be travel, it could also mean spending time with your family. So anything related to house will play a very important role. So how should I sum up this month? Be honest with yourself. You don't have to. I mean, everything starts and ends with you. The minute you let go, the minute good things come to you, the minute you ask, you will find the roadmap to resolve every conflict that you guys could be struggling in. That is what even your angels are saying. We are there to assist you. Would you mind just being honest with what things or where things are taking you? At the matters of heart, somebody who is not good for you is somebody you're trying to make amends with, but I think it's all nostalgic, or it's the perception that you need to change, that yes, I can change this person. No, darling, you cannot. So learn to move ahead, learn to love yourself. Once you love and heal yourself, the right soul will walk into your space, and everything related to the house may become the priority for you for this month. So that's all I have. Thank you so much for watching. Do like, share and subscribe to my channel. Take whatever resonates and leave the rest behind. Do hit the bell icon so you get notified for any such interesting videos I keep uploading, and I shall definitely see you soon. If this reading has resonated with you by any means, let me know in the comment section. But if you think it hasn't, no worries, my love. You don't have to take things to your heart. I shall see you soon in my next read. Have a wonderful month ahead, my love. Stay happy, stay blessed.